I know, coding sometimes drives you crazy and mentally breaks you down, but maybe we're just taking it too seriously.
Oh, just take it easy, man.
A lot of us might not realize it, but coding feels like having the power of creation. We are building something that others might not even know how to use for daily life. The question is, how can we make programming more fun and enjoyable for ourselves? To enjoy coding, this is so personal, but my experience say not every day has to be super serious. Some day just play your favorite music, open VS Code, and I know VS Code sometimes makes me anxious, and just play your favorite music and dive into small fun project. Tackling small problems can teach us more than just following a course every day. One of the best things that really helped me in coding is finding other programmer to collaborate. When you work together, it makes things much easier. New ideas come to mind and you are more motivated to work. We just need see programming as an opportunity to create and explore, not just as a task. Embrace the process and have fun with coding. Thanks for your time. I'm Chillcode. If you like, please subscribe.